Hey, you guys. It's like literally me. I'm Bunny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. What's up, guys? Yes, I am looking a mess today. It is a non-shower day or non-wash hair day. All my grays are showing. We are going to go see a movie, so I'm kind of made up, but I'm kind of like, I don't give a fuck because we're just going to be sitting in a dark room for 2 hours. But before we leave, I wanted to get this video recorded. I received an order that I got from SHEIN, which is basically just a bunch of Gothmas decorations. If you don't know, this year for Gothmas, I am doing a red and black theme. So there's a couple things in here that are just like more on the red side. But while I was looking, I also found some stuff that was like silvery, and I am like gonna do silver next year. So there are some things in here that are for this year, and then some that are for decorating next year. I don't even know what's in here. I completely forgot. It took forever to get here. But I believe that everything in here was less than 20 bucks or something around the total of $20. I can't remember what the shipping and shit was. If I can find it, I'll stick it right here. But definitely everything was really cheap. Oh, please. All right. I look a mess. I am a mess. Let's get into it. So, oh my gosh, I didn't realize that they were going to come like this. Yes, I've ordered multiples of one thing because, you know, even though things are like 50 cents, they're like one piece, you know, it's going to be like little. So I ordered like multiples of each. Okay, I'm just going to pick the silver stuff out first because I'm not using that this year. So it's going to stay wrapped. But I found... I can't remember how much these things are. Does SHEIN give you like a packing slip? That's a negative. I got 2 of these. So these were little... I guess I am opening them. Oh, these are cute. God, these are not what I thought they were going to be, but they're still really cute. These are little like gray felt roses. And I thought that I could put them in the tree next year, but now that I'm looking at them, they don't have anything on the back. Okay, that's cool. I will still find some way to use them. This is a pack of something. I don't know. Anyway, I got two packs of these. Other silver thing I bought for next year are, I saw these, the way they had these pictured, it looked so pretty. Not that it's ever gonna look like that in my house. These are like silver plastic, obviously. Let me see if I can get them open. I got that. Have I ever looked worse in a... Don't answer that. I see why these are like, you know, $1. Oh my God, like this is a symbol of my life right now. Okay, there we go. So these were like silver leaf vine things, and I thought they were really cute for how inexpensive they were. So I thought these would look really good, and you guys will see later, I kind of do like a garland down my staircase. So for next year with my silver theme, I thought this would look really pretty like on that garland. So yeah, these are really cute, and I did get 2 of these just to beef them up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So moving on into the actual this year's Gothmas decorations. Again, we are doing black and red. I'm so sorry if you can't hear me over all the crinkling. So the whole reason that I ended up buying this stuff is because I did in Google search black garland because of my Christmas tree is black and I wanted black garland this year. And this actually popped up and I was like, ooh, that's super cool. Of course it was SHEIN, so it was like super cheap. I want to say these were like 60 cents a piece or something. And since they were 60 cents a piece, I was like, I'm going to order, I think I ordered 6 of them so that I could like really beef them up and make them look really full. These are going to be really nice. These are black kind of ivy garland. And I think since I bought 6 of them, If I put them all together and then string the lights through them, I think this is gonna be a really pretty Gothmas garland for my staircase. You know I'll have a video of like my Gothmas decorations upcoming, but these are just little pieces that I'm putting together for these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, 6 of these, and I think when I get them like all together and stuff, I think they're gonna be a really nice little decoration because they are black, of course. In keeping with the black and red theme, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, I guess I got 6 of these as well. I thought these were like a really cute addition to put in my Gothmas tree. I like to use like non-traditional things in my Gothmas tree because it just makes it like a little bit more interesting and less traditional. So I saw these little red stick flowers and I think they were like 30 cents or something a piece. And I have these little alligator clips that I can clip on the inside. And so I'm gonna have these like kind of coming out of the tree. I already have some things already up on the tree, but I was waiting on this order so that I could finish it. And now that I see these, I think that they're gonna look really, really cool in the tree. Currently, you know, the black tree is up and there are some black and red adornments on it and it is looking so gothly gorgeous. Like I can't even. So this is gonna heighten it up just a little bit and I can't wait. I'm waiting for like that candle to like catch something on fire and then this is, you know, goodbye. And the last thing I got as part of the red and black Gothmas decorations are, I saw that they had these red semi-realistic calla lilies. And I thought that that would be an interesting decoration inside like a little black vase. So these are like plastic rubbery red calla lilies. These are really, really cute. And I think that if I get the perfect little black vase and have these out, it's just like a nice punch of red in the Gothmas scheme. So I'm a little excited about those. They're actually really, really nice. So, you know, this is like kind of the scheme I'm going for here. It's like a flowery, darkly Gothmas theme. So I think I'm doing a pretty good job so far. Okay, and then the last thing was just an add-on that I put in the cart. I don't think it's really for Gothmas. I thought it would be more for actually in here. This was like $2. So let's see how, oh, how cute. Look at that. Yes. It was like $2. So I was like, oh, this is going to be cute. See, I can like hang it up in here. Oh, I'm so excited about that. It's kind of like a balsa wood and it's got the little tassel on the bottom and little hanger. Yeah, super happy about that for like $2. I definitely can't complain about that. All right, to round up here, SHEIN Gothmas haul, I got this little moon hanger, which I'm like totally in love with. Expect to see that in the background of my next video. I got the red calla lilies that are very, like, they're fairly realistic looking. Like, I'm pretty impressed with these. I got 6 of the red cherry blossom type things to go in the Gothmas tree. So I can't wait to show you guys that whenever I get that settled. I got 6 of the black garland vines that I am going to put out with some lights in the house for Gothmas, which I think is really going to work out. Like, definitely can't get these any cheaper anywhere else. And then for next year, when I do a silver Gothmas theme, I did get 2 of the silvery ivy vines and then 2 of these little, I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Some of these do have holes in them, but I don't know. But you remember, they're just little kind of rubbery roses. I'll figure out something to do with them. I'm not going to waste any of this stuff. That's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you're excited for Gothmas and how I am decorating the house this year. Can't wait to show that to you. Anyway, if you could please like this video, it really does help me out. If you could comment on, are you excited to see my Gothmas theme? That would be awesome. And if you could subscribe so you can follow all of my shopping antics, that would be the awesomest. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one.